What is this?
Leftovers. Enjoy.
There's no flavor. There's no spices. Where are the chips?
Somebody stole them.
Did you not tell them that they are the Lord's chips? You are useless, Ignacio.
Silence, brothers. This is the worst lunch I have ever had.
Your only job is to cook. Do you not realize I have had diarrhea since Easter's?
Okay, maybe I am not meant for these duties, cooking duties. Dead guy duty. Maybe it's time I get a better duty.